2019 to 2025 Nissan Altima rear USB port replacement. What's up, everybody? I'm in the rear seat of a Nissan Altima. I'm going to show you how to replace this USB charger port right here. We're going to get a plastic pry bar tool. I'll link one of these below. Something like this and this. And basically, we're going to pop off the back panel. So open the center console lid, and we're going to get this panel off. I just kind of open the lid like that. And I can actually reach on here and grab this with my fingertips and just wiggle and pull towards the back, just real gently. Don't rage rip it off. And then once you pop it off a little bit, take this little plastic tool to pop it off the rest of the way. The plastic won't scratch your interior, so that's why I recommend getting it. Now here's the USB port right here. It has one wire plugged into it, so there's a little thumb tab button, or you can use a tiny little flathead to push the little thumb tab button and pull the connector backwards. Don't pull it by the wires. And then the port itself has these four little locking tabs, two on the top, two on the bottom. You're going to push those down and push this guy forward, outwards, towards the back seat. And then you'll remove him like this. Now here he is. There's a part number on the back right here. Here's the part number. Now they currently don't sell this on Amazon or Walmart or like at an auto parts store. It's too new, but maybe in a few years you can get this. But right now I'm just going to link it to the dealer, and if it's a 2019 to 2025 dealer parts website will have it for you. And then as time goes on, I'll update the links when they start selling these on Amazon. So push this back in. You just push it right into place. Make sure it's the same orientation it was when you took it out. Plug the wire in. Again, be careful with the wires. And then we'll just put this back on. Make sure those little plastic tabs are lined up in the holes right here. And then we'll just push this guy back in. Be patient with it. Line up the holes good, and then snap it in place. And that's it, guys. That's how you do it. That's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off Oxido.com promo code. Now Oxido has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code Guillermo Auto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer, and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, you know, that stuff, and then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type Guillermo Auto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.
Pretty good.